In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find vacation rentals on Google Flights. Start by opening Google Flights in your web browser. You'll land on Google's travel interface, which is designed to help you plan every part of a trip. Look toward the top of the page for the main navigation. There, you'll see options for different trip components. Find and select vacation rentals to switch from flights to places you can stay. Next, use the search box to enter the destination where you want to rent a place. Type the city, region, or island you have in mind and select the matching suggestion that appears. This helps Google focus the results on the exact area you want. Now set your travel dates. Open the calendar and choose your arrival date first. Take a moment to consider check-in times and travel duration so the date works with your flight schedule. Then choose your end date. Picking both dates lets Google calculate accurate pricing for the whole stay. When you're satisfied with the dates, click Done to lock them in. Add the number of guests so the results match your group size. Use the plus and minus controls to set adults, children, and any infants. This ensures you'll only see properties that can comfortably accommodate everyone. If you want to narrow things down further, open all filters. This is where you fine-tune results to fit your needs. Start with Sort By to control the order of listings, such as prioritizing higher ratings or better value. Adjust the price filter to set a nightly budget range that feels comfortable. This is a quick way to hide options outside what you plan to spend. Under property type, choose the kind of place you prefer, like an entire home for privacy or an apartment if you want to be in the center of the action. Use guest rating to set a minimum score so you focus on well-reviewed stays. And in amenities, select must-haves like reliable Wi-Fi, air conditioning, a kitchen, free parking, a washer and dryer, or a pool. Choose only what truly matters to keep your options broad enough. Once you're done applying filters, return to the results. You'll see updated listings with photos, prices, ratings, and short descriptions. Take a moment to scan the summaries and compare locations, value, and features at a glance. When a place catches your eye, click View Details. This opens a more complete overview where you can review photos, read guest feedback, confirm the exact amenities, and check the total price for your selected dates. Make sure it fits your needs and expectations before you decide to move forward. That's all you need to confidently find vacation rentals on Google Flights.